I love these. These are my Primark pants. playroom too. Everything's become the playroom right now. It is just learning, playing all the time because we're at home all the time. Okay, it's getting better. We folded all that laundry. I thought I would use the magic of time lapse to show you because there was just so much. Let's see, I've got a few more things. I've got to pick up stuff that Abraham drops on the floor. Oh, it's so nice to have a clean space. I cannot recommend, just tossing that in the hamper that's out there. I cannot recommend when you're at home a lot, tidying up your main space more. That is just one of the top things we're talking about that on Patreon, is it's so valuable to have your main spaces sorted. And this room has just kind of become because we were planning a lot. We had picnic lunch in here, and it needed some love. And then Abraham kindly brought mommy all the laundry and dumped it on the ground. So I thought, well, that is a sign from the gods above that I should do laundry. Okay, let's make the bed, and then I think do some sweeping, and then we should be all tied up and clean. How are you doing, biscuits? I know I haven't done a cleaning video in a couple weeks. I'm just really busy working on my main channel and working on Patreon, getting all those videos shot. And I have my next novel coming out. It's all done, it's all ready. I'm very excited. So I've been going through the process for all of that, and it just was really busy. So I've been cleaning a ton. I just keep forgetting to bring my camera out. So I thought I'll bring you along today, even though I am messy haired and pajamaed, to get a little inspiration while we're at home all the time to tidy up our spaces. Okay, I think we can get that bed made. Let's do it. Hey biscuits. Woo! We have a relatively stored clean room. I still need to mop it. I might do that another day, and let me know in the comments. Tell me, would you like me to film a whole house mop? Because I feel like the house needs a good mop. Oh yeah. I will see you in the next video. I hope that you have been enjoying all of my kind of fun, silly, lighthearted videos that I've been doing in between cleaning on here. Normally I stick to more lifestyle, but I used to do more game showy fun things on here, and I thought I would get back to that because we all need something good to laugh at. Laugh with, either way. I will see you in the next video. I had a good time cleaning. I am glad that I cleaned. I have a ton of other work things that I need to do today, but I'm glad that I took some time to clean because it was nice to move my body. It was nice to put on some music and shake it out and get a clean room. I'm glad I did that. So if you're petting off, if you're procrastinating on cleaning, thinking, oh, I don't want to, it does actually make you feel happier, I feel, both because we're moving our bodies and then because our space is more serene and clean and our minds can tell that. Don't forget, oh, what did I totally forget? I had one of those things where I was laughing over something in my head just now and the idea totally went away. What was it? It was some funny story I heard. Never mind. Feel free, go to that description box, check out all of our merch. Oh yeah. If you need a comfy t-shirt to wear while you are lounging around the house, I have some really soft fabric made in the US tees in my shop, and they are so comfy to wear around. You see me wear them in a lot of my cleaning videos. Until the next video, hey, thank you so much for thumbs upping and subscribing and, you know, being a part of our lovely little lifestyle channel on here. I really appreciate it. I'll see you around. Love y'all, biscuits. Hello. Closing credits. Check out my merch. I have t-shirts made in the US. Mugs that are very jaunty for a beverage.